Welcome. This is how you create a backup for your key using the WWPass Key app. The first half of this video will be how to create the backup, and the second half will be how to restore using the backup. Now, the reason the key is so important is because it is used to log into all of your accounts. And the reason the backup is important is because it is the only way to restore the key. Now, you might lose your phone or you might even get a new one, and this is why the backup is required. For the case of the new phone, some people think that you can just create a backup of the entire phone from the old one and transfer it to the new one. However, this will not transfer the WWPass key because it is stored in a secure location in the old phone, and you must go through the WWPass Key app's backup feature. Now, I will open the app and show you my phone screen, and I will log into passhub to show you that this is the key we will be using for the demo. I will type in our demo pin that is only used for demos. We do not suggest these simple of pins. And as you can see, we have three items. We have a credit card note and password. This is for this key's account. Now I will log out and I will continue back with the phone. I will click close. And now I can go through the hamburger menu in the top left to create a backup, but also sometimes a green dialog box pops up to create a backup. In this case, I will click on the hamburger menu and click create backup. Now it asks for an email. The only reason for the email is just for the backup and nothing else. In this case, I will type in the email. And one more thing with the emails, you can use two emails to restore one key. For example, I can use my work email and my personal email to restore the same key. However, I cannot use my work email to restore two different keys. This is a note to remember. Now on the phone, I will click I have not used this email anywhere else for WWPass keys, and I will click proceed. Now it will send me an email. You can either do this through the phone, or in this case, for the demo, we will be going through the computer. I will open up the email. As you see the little shield icon, this is for creating the backup. I will click the link. I will click proceed on the phone, and now I will scan the QR code. I now have to enter the PIN to create the backup. And now the backup's ready. I will close this, and to prove the backup is ready, I will now erase my key. While my key is being erased, now we are back on the main menu. And now we can restore the WWPass key from backup, which is what we will be doing since we backed it up. I will type in the email we used. You can type in either or if you create multiple emails for backup. I'll click send me a verification email. And then again, you can do this through the phone, but for the demo, we will go through the computer. I will open up the email. As you see, there's a little restore icon. This is used for restoring the key. I will click the link, and on the phone, I will click got it. I will now scan the QR code, and now I have to enter my PIN to restore my key. In this case, we use a numeric PIN, so I will type it in, but this is used to get the key back. This is why you also have to remember your PIN, because it is the only way to log in, and also it's used for the backup. As you can see, my key is restored. I will close this tab, and I will click start using on my phone. Now I can click passhub, and I can scan the QR code again. And because we restored the key from the backup, we should see the same three items and be in the same account. So I will type in this simple PIN. We do not suggest this anywhere else. And there we go. We have the demo safe with the three demo items. Thank you very much.